And welcome to our brief unboxing of the German Heer Weapons Team. Winter, so these are in greatcoats. Let's have a look. Right. So, 3 dice, which is great because I'm known for large order dice armies. So, thank you, Lala. So, what do we have? So, we have a spotter. Let's go with the sniper, resting on a tree stump.
Enamel is your first line of defense against cavities and erosion.
Then we have the Panzer Shrek. Those of you that want to Shrek Panzers with little screen. And we have crewmen to go with it, who would just double up as a normal rifleman as well. Then we have the flamethrower. Again, lying down, waiting for an opportunity. And another crewman stroke rifleman, who seems to be wearing a smock over his greatcoat. So any of the others? It seems that that one is as well. It's a white tabard who's portrayed in the box. Yeah. So, all in all, great little kit with minimal, well, there is no flash, it's just a couple of casting gates really that need trimming off. And then just that little nub there. So, all in all, great little set and a welcome addition to my upcoming army. See you soon.